the easiest way to make money off webinars and be highly profitable. It's no secret that affiliate marketing is the best choice out of many work-from-home options. With this, you can easily make money from the comfort of your home without owning any product, creating sales pages, taking care of clients, and investing in a large-scale team. All you have to do is implement a few strategies and earn high commissions. In today's video, we will review a few strategies to make more conversions and, in return, receive high commissions. So, are you guys ready? Let's get in and learn about a very effective business model, the Big Ticket Affiliate Platinum. The traditional reasons why affiliate marketing rocks. First, let's look at some traditional reasons that make affiliate marketing a great plus. However, there is a real need to rethink the strategies and open the doors of high commission, conversions, and traffic. Doesn't require any expertise. If you're looking to make money online, affiliate marketing is a great way to do it. You don't need special skills or expertise to succeed in this business model. All you need is a willingness to learn and work hard. Affiliate marketing is also a very passive form of income. You can set up your affiliate marketing business and let it run on autopilot while you focus on only driving traffic to your offers and carry on with your life. This is a great way to make money online if you don't want to be actively involved in the day-to-day operations of your business. Cost-effective. Affiliate marketing has many benefits, but one of the best is that it's a cost-effective way to earn money. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars on advertising or product development. You only need some time to promote your affiliate products. Another great thing about affiliate marketing is that you can start earning money almost immediately. Once you've chosen your affiliate products, you can start promoting them and start earning commissions. There's no need to wait months or even years to start making money. It's fast. For a good reason, affiliate marketing is one of the most popular forms of online marketing. It's fast, effective, and relatively easy to get started. You can set up an affiliate campaign in just a few minutes and start driving traffic and making sales almost immediately. How to rethink affiliate program. The affiliate program is an important part of the business, but it's not the only thing that matters. There are other things to consider when running a business, and the affiliate program should be just one piece of the puzzle. Remove competition. You may wonder how to make your program stand out from the rest as an affiliate marketer. After all, thousands of other marketers are vying for potential customers' attention. The answer is simple. Focus on quality, not quantity. It's important to remember that people are more likely to buy from a trusted source. If you're known for promoting high-quality products, people will likely buy from you. On the other hand, if you're known for bombarding people with low-quality products, they'll be less likely to trust you, and less likely to buy from you. It's also important to focus on a niche. By promoting products that are relevant to a specific niche, you'll be able to build trust and credibility more quickly. People will know that you're an expert on the subject, and they'll be more likely to buy from you. Finally, don't be afraid to put your own spin on things. There's no need to copy other affiliate marketers. Be original, and you'll be more likely to succeed. What to sell? Selling high-ticket items as an affiliate can be a great way to earn a higher commission on each sale. But what exactly should you sell? Here are some ideas to get you started. Selling high-ticket items as an affiliate can be a great way to earn a higher commission on each sale. But what exactly should you sell? Here are some ideas to get you started. 1. Digital products. Selling digital products is a great option if you're in the digital space. This could include ebooks, courses, software, or anything else that can be delivered electronically. And since you're probably already familiar with these products, it'll be easier for you to promote them to your audience. 2. Services. Services are another great option for affiliate marketing. If you have a service-based business, then you can promote other services that complement your own. For example, if you're a web designer, you could promote website hosting or SEO services. 3. Memberships. Memberships can be a great way to earn recurring commissions. If you sell a membership to an online course or program, Then you'll earn a commission every time someone pays their monthly or yearly fee. This can be a great way to build up a passive income stream. 4. Events. Events can also be a great option for affiliate marketing. If you sell tickets to an event, then you'll earn a commission on each ticket sold. And if the event is popular, you could sell hundreds or even thousands of tickets. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Consider these options if you're looking for high-ticket items to sell as an affiliate. With a little research, you should be able to find products that are a good fit for your audience and will help you earn the highest commissions possible. Find best platform to sell high offers. As an affiliate marketer, finding the right environment to sell your high-ticket products is important. If you're selling a $997 product, you want to be sure that you're in a place where people are willing to spend that kind of money. One great place to look for potential customers is Facebook groups. Many groups are dedicated to helping people make money online, and these are usually full of people looking for ways to invest in their businesses. Another great place to find potential customers is through webinars. Webinars are a great way to sell high-ticket products because they allow you to build rapport and trust with your audience before asking for a sale. Let me explain this in a bit more detail. How to generate super conversions for webinars. Create highly personalized in-webinar offers. You've likely heard that delivering a personalized in-webinar offer can help increase conversions. But why is this? And how can you create an effective offer that will get results? Understanding what your audience wants and needs is the key to creating an effective in-webinar offer. By taking the time to research your audience and understand their pain points, you can create an offer that is highly relevant and targeted to their specific needs. When you deliver a personalized in-webinar offer, you are showing your audience that you understand their needs and that you have a solution that can help them. This can be incredibly powerful in convincing them to take action and converting them into customers or clients. Place clear CTAs naturally. As a marketer, you always look for ways to improve conversions. And one of the most effective ways to do that is by using in-webinar CTAs. In-webinar CTAs are calls to action that are placed within the webinar itself. They can be used to promote anything from an opt-in to a product purchase. And when done right, they can be incredibly effective. The reason in-webinar CTAs are so effective is that they're placed at a time when the attendee is already engaged and interested in what you have to say. They're also less intrusive than other forms of advertising, like pop-ups and banner ads. So if you're not already using in-webinar CTAs, now is the time to start. Your CTA should be relevant to the topic of your webinar. For example, your CTA could promote a dog training course if you're hosting a webinar on dog training. Involve your sales team. If you do not already involve your sales team in your webinars, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to generate conversions. Here's why. Your sales team knows your product inside and out. They can answer prospects' questions and help position your product in the best light. Your sales team is also usually more outgoing and extroverted than other organization members. This makes them ideal hosts for webinars, as they're more likely to engage with participants and keep the energy level up. And finally, having your sales team involved in webinars shows prospects that you're serious about selling to them. It sends the message that you're not just trying to pitch them but are interested in building a relationship. So, if you have a sales team but do not already involve your sales team in your webinars, now is the time to start. You'll be glad you did when you see the results. But here's the good news. With this business model, the Big Ticket Affiliate Platinum does not even require you to have a sales team. You don't even have to talk to people, be on camera or conduct webinars. Everything is done for you. You just need to drive traffic to the webinars. So guys, that was it for today's video. Hopefully, it was helpful for you. If yes, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to click on the link below and register for the training to learn about the easiest way to make money off webinars. We will be back with another valuable video soon. Till then, bye-bye.